Hey everyone, it's me, Paul. Going to be doing a repair today on a GV80, I think it is, Genesis. So it's a 3-stage pearl white. All of this was smashed, so have some new parts the owner picked up. And I'm going to come in closer. Going to replace this part. This is broke. Going to mend this back together again, and a new chrome piece. So another alternative than to replace the entire bumper, just repair this area only, and see if we can get it knocked out in about 5 or 6 hours, somewhere in there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I got this piece ready to go. I'm gonna scuff everything, scratch everything from the back, and brace it with an epoxy from the back. That'll be able to hold that in place, along with a couple of stainless steel staples that melt into the plastic also. Okay, I got the back all roughed in, roughed up, scratched like crazy, and then a couple of staples here, and getting ready to do the epoxy now. It's a 2-part epoxy, and I'm gonna kind of drench it from the back. It's gonna probably end up holding a little bit stronger than the factory seam here. Okay, that was the base coat white. Now for the pearl. Okay, that was the pearl. Now it's time for the clear coat. Okay, all done. This repair took about 6.5 hours to complete at the client's house. And again, it is a 3-stage pearl white. It's got the clear coat, all the parts back on, ready to go. So any questions that you may have, feel free to contact me. Other than that, have an awesome day. Bye.